Hello, and welcome to our Retro USA installation video. This video is here to help guide you through the installation of Retro USA products. In this video, we will be installing a set of Retro USA Challenger rocker moldings. You can access all of our instructions on our website. Go to www.retrousa.net, click on Product Info, then Installation Instructions. Now let's begin with some pre-installation steps. First, inspect all products for damages prior to installation. Look for scratches or any warpage that might have been caused by shipping. Retro USA will not accept damage returns that have been installed on the vehicle. Also inspect for product contents. Included in your box should be 2 ChromeTech rocker moldings and 6 insert brackets. You will also find installation instructions, a product care sheet, warranty policy, and 2 3M adhesion promoter packets. Prepare the vehicle for installation by cleaning all adhesion surfaces. Vehicle surface must be clean and dry for proper adhesion. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cloth to remove existing wax and dirt residue. Now it's time to begin the installation. Let's begin installation by placing a piece of masking tape at the front of the passenger rocker panel so that the top edge of the tape is 1 1/8 inches below the top edge of the rocker panel. Place 2 more pieces of tape at the middle and the rear of the rocker panel that are also 1 1/8 inches below the top edge of the rocker panel. After you have placed the 3 pieces of tape, run a single piece of tape the length of the rocker panel so that the top edge of the tape lines up with the top edge of the 3 pieces of tape you just applied to the rocker panel. Using a marker, mark a spot 2 inches from the front of the rocker panel on the tape placed on the vehicle. Also mark a spot 2 inches from the rear of the vehicle. On 3 of the inserts, pull the wider tabs back slightly, exposing 1 inch of tape. Fold the tabs back 45 degrees in the direction that they will be pulled. This will help hold the insert while you align it on the vehicle. Align one of the inserts at the front of the rocker panel with the wider tape toward the vehicle surface. The bottom edge of the insert should be aligned with the top edge of the masking tape. The end of the insert should be aligned with the mark made earlier. Once aligned, pull the tab towards the opposite end of the insert. Be sure the insert remains aligned as lining is removed. Apply firm pressure to the insert where the lining has been removed. Align the second insert at the rear of the rocker molding. Again, bottom edge of the insert should be aligned with the top edge of the masking tape. The end of the insert should be aligned with the mark at the rear of the rocker panel. Pull the tab to the opposite end of the insert. Be sure the insert remains properly aligned as you remove the lining. Remember to apply firm pressure to the insert where the lining has been removed. Align the third insert in the middle of the rocker panel, centered between the other 2 inserts. Again, the bottom edge of the insert should be aligned with the top edge of the masking tape. Pull the tab to the opposite end of the insert, and remember to apply firm pressure where the lining has been removed. Now pull back the 3 tabs slightly on the inserts that are installed on the vehicle, exposing about 1 inch of tape. Make sure and pay close attention on this next step, as it is very crucial when installing your Challenger rocker moldings. Before attaching the rocker molding to the inserts, bend the mounted inserts so that the inserts become an L shaped. This will aid in the rocker molding making contact with the tape surface on the insert. Prepare one of the ChromeTech rocker moldings for installation by applying one of the included adhesion promoters to the inside surface of the rocker molding. Allow 30 to 90 seconds for the adhesion promoter to dry before attaching the rocker molding to the vehicle. After the adhesion promoter is dry, the rocker molding must be installed within 1 hour. Place the rocker molding over the inserts. The ends of the rocker molding should be about 1 inch from the ends of the rocker panel. Use the exposed tape to hold the rocker molding on the vehicle. Make sure that all 3 tabs are exposed. Now pull all 3 tabs, starting with the tab that's closest to the end of the rocker molding. As you remove the lining, press the rocker molding toward the vehicle until it is flush. Then press down firmly toward the ground to attach to the insert. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a set of Challenger rocker moldings. If you have any questions about this installation, feel free to give us a call at 877-473-8768.